started to tackle menstruation. Menstruation is often spoken in whispered tones, hushed tones, and awkward silence. Menstruation has been the topic of misconceptions, myths, and prejudices. But today, we stand before you with proud and empowered to talk about this topic, which is related to all of our lives, the beautiful process of life with which we all are connected.
Menstruation is normal and it's a natural thing in women. Most of the women suffer monthly 3 to 7 days in menstruation. It's a natural thing and we should talk about it. And because of it, many of the girls can't talk to each other about this. They think it's not the topic to talk, but we have to talk about it. It's a natural thing. And
most of the women get hesitated to talk about these topics because they think that the mentality of the person has not developed that much they want. But we want that this topic should be suggested openly and talk about it socially. Here we have one machine, that is the sanitary pad machine. These machines are being available nowadays in colleges and schools, and we want that this machine should be available in every village and every place that girls will be able to take out the pads whenever they need. We are explaining here one of the most famous scientists, that is Preeti Ramadas. Preeti Ramadas is from Chennai. She has invented a biodegradable pad, which is the
decompose in 15 days.
Which is very easy to decompose in the soil, and it fertilizes the soil. We are taking one pad. The normally rich pad covers can affect and get rashes to the skins of the girls, which is not helpful for them and which can harm them. The normal pads are made of plastics, of 70% of plastic, which is harmful to the girls. But biodegradable pads get fertile to the soil, and it also fertile the soils, and it is not harmful to the girls. So we just want that girls should use biodegradable pads. Nowadays it is expensive because it doesn't have that platform in the market that they would sold their biodegradable pads. But if we will support them, the biodegradable pads will come in the front, and it will be much cheaper than these pads which are exposed to things. Okay, so let's whenever girls and cover that things and cover it with the paper, dig it in the soil. This is the process of disposing the biodegradable pads in soil. After disposing it, it will get degraded in just within 15 days. After 15 days, it will get totally degraded in the soil, and it will fertile the soil, which is not harmful to the environment. It is beneficial to the environment. But the normal pads they should maintain the discipline. While even in the schools also, we should see that the girls are throwing the pads on the dustbin without even covering it, which is wrong. Pad will come out. You get one.